It's Miss Lish here at the well again. Thank you for joining us for a cooking class. And today we're making a granola that our students help us make at school. Everybody loves it. It's great by itself. It's great on yogurt. It's great when you're going on a hike. Granola is a great snack, very healthy. And let's get started. All you need to make this granola is a crock pot, a slow cooker crock pot, whole oats, rolled oats, salt, flax seeds, raisins, honey, and I don't have them with me, but vanilla, sunbutter, and coconut oil are the other things, and cinnamon or nutmeg for your spice. You can look below in the description for the full recipe, but I am ready to get started now. So the first thing that you do is with your coconut oil, grease the inside of your crock pot so that nothing sticks while you're cooking. After the inside of your crock pot is greased, you can start adding your dry ingredients. So first I'll start with my oats. Now, if you're doing this while your crock pot is unplugged, it's a really good opportunity for your kids to help you out. Everybody gets a turn to add an ingredient. So add your oats and your salt. It's a big bowl for a very small amount of salt. Martha Stewart has the nice little clear glass cooking bowls. Maybe we'll have to get some of those for our spices too. And then we have our flax seeds. I know at home, sometimes I add chia seeds to my granola for a nice little crunch, a little added nutrition. Take a spoon and mix it all up. Can't over mix it, so this is a really good thing to have your kids take turns doing. Give it a really good stir, make sure it's mixed in. And once that looks good, you're able to add your wet ingredients and your spices. So what you can do with your coconut oil, your honey, and your sunbutter is put it in a microwave-safe bowl, and in 30-minute increments, or 30-second increments, put it in the microwave, let it melt, give it a stir until it's all well mixed. So very carefully, this might be a job for the grown-ups if it's really hot, this beautiful brown mixture. Pour it right over top of the oats and think about all the fun noises your kids will make when they see it. Ooh, yummy. Like I said, we make this recipe at school all the time. The kids love it. So after your wet ingredients are in there, give it a stir. Now you will not be adding your raisins yet. The raisins don't get added until the very end after the oatmeal is cooked. The granola is cooked. The oats are fully cooked. So give it a good stir. Teach your kids how to scoop from the bottom up to the top so everything gets coated. Beautiful. It smells really good. You can smell the sun butter. Perfect. So didn't take too long for that to get all mixed in. Good. So once it's all mixed up, put your lid on the top and you're going to come and check it and give it a stir every 30 minutes for 3 hours. Set a timer, come, give it a stir, make some observations about how it's changing. That's the nice thing about cooking, is it's science. Talk to your kids about how it's changing. So after 3 hours is done, it'll be nice and toasted and warm and delicious. Add your raisins, let it cool down, and there you have it. Granola, a perfect healthy snack for everyone. I hope you enjoyed this cooking demonstration. The recipe is below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And always, please remember to be well. Bye.